Hi guys, this is Asthasha, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I look fine just because there's makeup on my face, but internally, I'm finished because I'm that sleepy. I'm here in Delhi, I'm not in Bombay. Last night I had a Diwali party. I partied till like 4 a.m. and then I caught a flight to Delhi at I had a flight at 8 in the morning. So I've not slept and I have a full day shoot today. I'm here in the hotel. I just took like a 1 hour nap because I was damn tired. Just did my makeup and now I'm waiting for my videographer. Sakshi is inside. There's so much to do, and not only today and tomorrow but also through the entire week. Tomorrow also I have to wake up at 4 a.m. because the makeup artist is coming and I have a shoot at 6 in the morning and then I leave for Bombay. So it's going to be a very very crazy schedule. I'm here for the Lakme Fashion Week. I'm shooting for the brand name Tresemme. And I'm staying right in the hotel. You can see from here, I'm not sure. But yeah, I have to shoot there, here. Earlier, Lakme Fashion Week was like a very big thing for us because we used to come here and attend like a lot of shows, get, outfits from the designers, wear the outfits and sit in the front rows and watch all the shows. But I think now it's become very different. We go for really selected ones. And in fact, this time, I'm not attending any except one because of this brand shoot. What you gotta do so that the product looks clean. Hello.
ये vlog बन रहा है. I have a part of the vlog.
Yes, the only videographer I trust in Delhi.
How are you?
I'm good.
फिर कहीं शाइन उसकी फिर से करना एंगल बताता हूँ मैं. हाँ
This?
थोड़ा सा हाँ बस ये.
This is my outfit, guys. It's from this brand name Costume County. I've stolen a few jewelries from Sakshi, but now we're going for the shoot.
Actually, it's going to be like a half turn, you know. Okay. So I would keep this part up, okay, and maybe it can go into some kind of a band.
Mariana, can you say hi to my vlog?
Of course.
Hi!
I came all the way from Ibiza just for you.
For me, exactly. I really want to go to a pizza, yeah. Is it like a very party place?
Yeah, I mean it is a very party place, but it is also very much more than that. It depends. There's a lot of parties happening. But it's up to you what you want to experience. It has amazing, beautiful beaches.
Oh.
Beautiful. It has like a big boho and hippie community. So it is known for a lot of more things, but a lot of people are also very associated with insane
Yeah,
party.
parties,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah, we can have insane party there for sure. Yeah, but there's much more.
My cold is killing me.
Asa is tired now. Her energy is now raining. 1 hour more.
Not bad. Doable. I'm gonna go home and have so much pasta today, like cheese, mushroom pasta. You like mushroom?
I don't like mushroom. I like cheese.
We'll have cheese pasta.
Yeah. White sauce.
And tomorrow we can go have chole bhature.
Yes.
2, 3, go. maybe ना थोड़ा पहले turn कर.
Sous le ciel de Paris jusqu'au soir vont chanter.
Day comes to an end and now I'm finally sleeping. It's only right now it is 9 p.m. so I think I'll get like a good 6 hours of sleep. 7 hours of sleep, not bad, better than just like 2-3 hours of sleep. And I'll take you through tomorrow and what's gonna happen tomorrow and who I'm shooting with. Good morning. It is 4:46. Sakshi is lost. She slept for half an hour right now. I slept at 9:30, so I got good 6 hours of sleep.
Good that you slept.
Yeah, so I'm not like that sleepy right now. My makeup artist is here. We quickly finish in an hour and then we leave at 6:15 for this one place called Picture Villa, which has these different sets where we finish shooting. And then we finally leave for Bombay. Makeup is done. Hair is also done. Another place is like 55 minutes from here. We're taking our bags and leaving because we cannot come back to the hotel. I haven't been this sick in a while. We have reached the location. There are many sets over here. You cannot see it right now, but I'll show you around once we go. Can you see like a marry me here? Marry me. Hello!
इतनी एनर्जी कैसे कितने घंटे सो गए तो हो गया आधा शूट तो हो ही गया
बॉयज का जनरली लेफ्ट ही होता है.
We have horse on the set. हाँ इधर आस्था के पास.
क्या ये उदास है वैसे भी यार
क्या हो गया?
मैं जस्ट एक शॉट ले रहा हूँ देखते हैं ठीक है एक शॉट एक्शन
It's so sunny, guys. I cannot even shoot. We're ready for another sunburn tonight. Yeah, even I feel I'll get sunburned. But anyways, it's done. Now we're just going to change. We'll go for lunch and then straight to the airport.
एक्शन मर्ज करना तो मैं हंसा हूँ और एक और कुछ करते हैं एक और चुरचुर के अलावा एक और आपने बताया ना पंजाबी चुरचुर एक और पैटी एक पैटी
Patty क्या होगा?
करते यार
Crazy. Let's hog ASAP. Let's not wait. I am back in Bombay. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to vlog yesterday when I reached home because I was so unwell. I got fever, I had a very bad cold, I vomited and just so many things happening that I just couldn't vlog. I cried also so much, like so much. I literally took a picture while I was crying. I don't know why, but I'll put it here right now. I was crying so much. Next morning I woke up, and I'd taken this really heavy medicine because of the cold, so I was fully sleeping and I had to shoot right now. So I woke up, I had breakfast, went back to sleep, woke up at like 2 p.m, ate lunch, and now I'm shooting. And then I just realized I have not ended my vlog. But just so much is happening, and that's it. Delhi was extremely hectic. It's just really overwhelming sometimes, and I love what I'm doing. I think I've mentioned this 100 times, but it's so tough to keep up with everything. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.